place is cleaner now.
Father,
Okay.
these lands are too much.
Which land?
How many farmland do you have?
Hey, plenty. Plenty.
What's all this question about?
Ah, you know your daughter. Your daughter is a questionnaire. She must ask questions.
Father, I want to make a suggestion.
Yes.
Father, let's say some of these lands. We cannot be farming in all of them. We will die.
It's very good.
Huh? It's not good. Thank you, Papa. I know your blood flows in me.
Yes. My blood actually flows in you, and your question is very good. Yes, your question is also very stupid. Now bend down, pack those things. Walk! On your cell. Yeah, land.
Don't you have sense? If we sell it now, we'll enjoy the money. Me, I want to enjoy you.
Mm-hmm.
But what will you fall back to tomorrow?
Mama, I am going to marry a rich man.
Ipa, I hear you. Because finish this thing. We're almost done. We'll finish. Let's go.
A rich man that doesn't like land.
Land.
Huh?
Papa, I'm going to marry a rich man.
Oh.
I'll marry a rich man.
Oh, we are saying the same thing now. Your own rich man will not want landed property.
Hey, Papa.
What do you want? What your rich man
I will surprise you.
You do right now. Finish.
Please marry a rich man.
Yes.
You have to learn how to farm. So I can buy your bunker.
Dike nnukwu mmadụ. Yeah. It seems you're going home. You don't even tire every time harvesting, walking about it. Huh? I was going to tell you that I'll come and see you later. There's something we are going to discuss about. So maybe tomorrow. Yes. Not today. Okay, I'll see you later in the evening. I'm rushing somewhere. I will see you later in the evening. Yes. Later in the evening.
Of course, we are very wealthy. In fact, your father is one of the wealthiest men in this village, in this kingdom. Yes.
And I'm suffering like this.
What do you mean you are suffering?
Mama, I go to farm, I fetch water, I cook. I don't even have the newest and beautiful beads as in me. Yet, you said we are wealthy.
If lavishing our money on you call wealthy, then forget it. Eh? See, nobody will lavish any money on you. As for farming, you have to learn how to farm and perfect it. Oh. That's our only source of income here.
After both of you branched up to the street, I came face to face with Ekwe, and he said he would like to see me.
Why?
How would I know?
Papa, maybe he's coming to buy land from you. As we all know in this village, he goes about buying land from people.
Buying land? He forces people and takes over their land.
That's what he does. Madam, I want to say this before both of you now. Our lands are not for sale.
Bam.
Our lands are not for sale. The land of my fathers is not for sale. We will continue to farm on our lands. I hope I've made myself clear.
Bam. You are.
But Papa,
will you shut up and eat your food? What do you know about land? Do you want to sell one? Or did they send you? No, I have heard you. I'm not selling you land.
This is the hard one. Very hard.
Trust me now, I go for the best. Yes.
Ekwe.
No. Dike, my brother. No.
You said you wanted to see me.
Yes. And that's why I'm here. It is said that that's which the fowl is looking for in the rain is very important. Yes, very, very important. I told you the other day that I'll come and see you for an important discussion. Well, what we are going to discuss is not all that. In fact, it's very simple. To hit the nail on the head, I am interested in your property.
Which property?
Some of your farmlands. I want you to sell some to me. In fact, let us exchange it. I give you money to give me some of the farmlands. I need it.
Hey, Ekwe. Okay.
I don't sell land. I don't sell my land. Why? What are you doing with those vast land? Huh? It's too much for you to handle. After all, well, you may say that you inherited from your father, but your father inherited it from somebody. Either by he bought it or it was inherited. All of them are the same thing. What we are talking about is exchange. Sell some of your farmlands to me. What are you doing with those lands? Are you going to eat them? Is it not just to farm? They farm with the other ones, then you sell some to me. Owanaga.
Ekwe. I almost did not believe these things could come from you this way. Land is an inheritance. I inherited the land from my fathers, from my forefathers. I will bequeath those lands to my children when I am gone. I don't sell. DK, inheritance or no inheritance, all those things you're saying, one thing is very sure, you did not come with land from your mother's womb. It was given to you by your forefather, to your father, and to you. That is the inheritance you're talking about. So it's a simple change. That word inheritance is change. You can exchange it with money. You can exchange it with anything. The land is too much for you to handle. Sell some to me.
My land will exchange hands. When I'm no more, it will exchange to my people.
That means you're telling me that you don't want to sell.
I'm not selling. I don't sell land. I don't. I'm not mincing words.
I am Ekwe, your brother.
It's all right.
I should be on my way.
It's a word. Oh. What's this? What's all this? This is just like waking up early in the morning to behold a fowl pursuing you. One name, Baba, run. You don't know if the fowl developed teeth at night.
DK doesn't know me very well. He does not know me too well. He thinks I can take no for an answer. No, it's not possible. DK, you must sell that. You must sell some of your lands to me. Yes, it is a must. You must do that. Look at it. Just look at DK. Telling me to my face that he has made his decision. Who are you to make your decision before Ekwe? The gong of the strong. The sound that even the spirits cannot ignore. DK, you must change your decision. Else I shall teach you what the fire does with the ears of a rat. Ekwe, DK. The gong of the strong.
Is it by force? Is it by force to sell someone's property?
No, I'm gonna miss.
Or to say I will not sell? Is it by force?
You needed to have been there when Ekwe was talking about this thing. He was talking as if it is something that must be done. Sell my land. I will say, Ekwe, I don't sell. Do you know at a point in time he said that I must sell? He said, what am I doing with that vast land? That I must sell. That land is there for exchange. I was looking at him. I was baffled. Now that it is this way, he has given me enough signal. Enough signal to get ready. Enough signal to be ready for him. Let him come. Let him come. I am not like all those men that he goes to and dispossesses of their lands. He cannot do that with me. He cannot try that with me. I will show him I am strong.
That was why they named DK from the from the time that you were born. Don't mind him. He should know who you are now. And he cannot try any nonsense.
Mom.
You're going to the swim.
Yes,
Be
Mama.
back fast. Don't waste
But
time.
I was. What would you want, man? I don't understand.
The one he is buying and acquiring from himself.
Eh.
It's not too many for him.
But
But the one we have inherited is too much for us.
that one is too much for us.
Add the money.
But the vast area of land he has acquired from people, some forcibly, that one is not too much. Gong of the street. The sound that is in the spirits cannot be ignored. Get out!
What? What is it? Why are you talking to yourself?
Imagine Dike to say no to me. Me, Ekwe Dike.
I don't understand. Was he drunk? Or mania? Does he not know that you are the richest man in this kingdom?
Dike told me to my face. Dike told me to my face. Hey!
It's okay, father. It's okay. I think I know what to do. Just leave that for me. But all I need from you is you play your own part while I play mine.
So be it. So be it.
Yeah. Zabia. Sweep it very well. After sweeping, rest for a while. Then,
Rest
Okay,
for
Papa.
what? Huh? Rest? What did she do yesterday? She didn't go anywhere. When you finish sweeping, go and fetch enough water. And then bring food for us. Bring it fast too, don't waste time. I don't know if you slept with the lion yesterday night.
Yes, Mama. Thank you.
Did you hear me?
Good morning, father.
Good day, son. What plans do you have so far?
Plans?
Yes.
Father, like you always say, that the content of a man's heart is like a deep sea. which no other can tell the secret of it.
You are right.
Do not worry, Father. Carry out your own plans while I carry out mine.
It's okay. It's all right.
Thank you. Father, I will be after the spring.
Remember the words of the mother hen to her chicks. As you are hunting for food, always be careful of yourself.
Well noted, Father. Well noted. I bless the gods of our land for making me behold such a beauty. I must tell you, you are the most beautiful maiden I've ever set my eyes on.
Don't deceive yourself. I know you.
You do?
Yes. Are you not Baker's son?
Oh, you know my father. And I guess you also know that my father is one of the richest men in this kingdom.
No. But I know the maiden you are devoted to.
Oh, Dad. Well, I let her go because I discovered that I do not have any feelings for her. As you can see, I'm all alone now.
Me too. I'm all alone.
You are all alone. Please, can you wait for me? Let me fetch my water. Thank you. Well, I think we should be friends at least.
We are friends already.
Oh, we are friends already. Well, I am Obinna. Not just Obinna, but Obinnaya. Oh yes, Obinnaya.
I'm Ure. Urena.
Urenna. What a beautiful name for a beautiful maiden.
Thank you.
Wow. Yeah. So,
Obi, this way leads to your hut. Or are you going somewhere else?
Oh, my hut. Do not worry. I am following you down to your own hut. Okay?
My mother will call you. Better go back.
Very well then. If I should die in my quest trying to make you my woman, I think I died a noble death. Lead the way. My dear, lead the way.
I'll work with you for a little while. Then I'll continue to the other farm, where I will harvest the corn that is due.
Yeah. Are you harvesting for home consumption or for market?
What do you think?
A little of what we eat in the house.
Yes.
Maybe tomorrow we harvest for the market.
It's good. After all, there is no market.
But I have enough customers now. I have enough customers. I'll just call them to come to the house and buy.
Kobe. Why?
I think I have to fetch one more plant. You will be needing it.
What about you? Don't you need it?
Oh, do not worry about me. Oh yes.
Okay then. I have to make some food and take it to my parents at the farm.
Okay, that is good. But as you prepare the meal, I will have to go to the stream and fetch one more pot. But please, make sure my stomach is included.
Of course. Of course, yeah.
Let me rub along.
Okay. Well, if he wants to help, let him help. I know I'll not work for him.
This West is very good, so I do not wish to break it yet. As I was saying before we started, sit down. Sit down. Please. I want you to talk to Oled. You stand a lot to gain. Once we have her on our side, it will be easier. We can get her husband through her. Simple. Women control men.
As for Oled, I will talk to her. But I do not agree with you that women controls men.
Why?
I'm not the one controlling you. You've been sleeping with me since the death of my husband. And I've been asking you to marry me, but you refused.
My dear, not every woman is good for marriage. Yes, you are a perfect mistress, but you will make a terrible wife.
What? But I got married to someone, and I have children for him. And he sees me as the best.
Yes, I know he sees you as the best, but let us leave that talk for now. I want you to talk to Oled. Talk to her for me, else I won't sleep with you again. And I will equally stop taking care of you and your children.
Renagi, don't be angry. I will talk to Oled. Every time you be threatening me with this. Every time.
How did it happen?
Is that not been going? How come he's fetching water?
Let him fetch water. Is he not a man?
Mbano. He's the son of a rich man. He can't be fetching water.
It's like there's a problem.
I think something is wrong.
Listen.
what will a rich man's son fetching water when they have maids that do all these things for them? Or did he fight with his father? No, I need to find out.
Thank you so much, Sheikh. Thanks so much for coming.
No problem. I would like to start going now. If not that my mother is waiting for me. I will not eat that your food there.
Don't worry, next time. Bye-bye. Take care of yourself. Hey.
Let me follow.
Nice person. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. So tell me, when am I seeing you again?
You can come and visit me tomorrow. So my parents will go into the farm. That is if you are hiding from them. But Obi, I think you should not come.
No. Do not worry. I will be here tomorrow. Okay? I want you to know that I like you so much. And I want you and I to be the most envious in this kingdom as husband and wife.
Oh, nice.
I know you like it. Don't worry. I will see you tomorrow.
Okay.
Let me run along.
Bye.
Ma. Come. Sit. I want to ask you a question. What could make the son of a nobleman go to the stream to fetch water when they have servants who can do it?
Brother, I do not see anything wrong in that. Any man can go to the stream to fetch water, regardless of the status or the position. So I don't see anything wrong in that.
Is that what you think?
Yes.
One would have thought you went to fetch water.
Father, are you telling me that there is no water in this household? Does it mean that your mates did not fetch water? Father! Mercy!
I did not say there was no water. I was only curious to know why you left here with pot and returned it empty.
Well, Father, I picked the pot empty. Now to satisfy your curiosity, I returned back with pot empty. Prisons are destined unto me.
I've heard you, son. Just be very careful.
All I'm saying is for you to convince your husband to sell some of the lands to Ekwe. You know his father left him with nothing, and that's why he likes buying from people.
You mean that's why he likes making case with people and taking their lands away from them? He even goes as far as killing some of them. He killed your husband. Yes. And lied that he sold his land to him before he died. Nonsense. If your husband really sold that land to you, have you asked yourself, what did he use that money to do? Anyway, Ekwe has used his charm to bring you down, to tie you down. No problem. Go ahead and enjoy yourself. One day that charm will clear, your eyes will open, and you will remember today.
Okay, no problem.
Go and tell him that our land is not for sale. We say no to him, and our no is no.
No problem. So, buddy, let me be going.
God. Make sure our message gets to him. Go and tell him now. Or does he want you to come and take it by force from us? Ajan. He's looking for who to sell land to, or who to buy land from. Always selling, buying land. When the thing is all supposed to be handed over to the next generation.
Do I look like I'm under a spell? I know what Ekwe did. I'm acting all loving and loyal to him so I can get all he stole from my husband back for my children. Yes, let me be pretending to be a fool.
Resorted to sending his concubine to you.
Don't mind it. Very soon he will send you by himself.
Don't mind it. You see, these fingers are beginning to stiffen. Can you help? Yes. Draw them for me. Forget that he's not a serious-minded human being. Yeah. Oledo. I said straighten the fingers, not romance them.
One no word from you, and I just drop it.
Biko, how come the name? I won't say a word again. Just do it your way.
open it. Ooh, this is nice.
Man, your son does not breathe again.
He has been acting strange for some days now.
The other day, I saw him fetching water for DK's daughter.
DK's daughter? Are you sure?
Yes, Nan. But don't tell him I said so. You know your son do not like me.
It's alright.
Are you enjoying it?
Yes. Let me feed you. Atami Wanamaka.
Do those ones quickly up. Okay? Don't keep us waiting like you did the other time.
Okay, Papa.
Up one.
Remember to wash those things I left for you.
I will, Mama.
Take care of the house.
Okay, Mama.
Urenna. Ure.
How?
Calm down. Don't worry yourself. I saw them leaving. So tell me, my beautiful one, how are you feeling today?
I'm fine. Welcome.
Thank you.
Sit.
No, I don't think it would be wise for me to sit here. I do not want anybody to come and see me. Okay? Can't I wait inside for you?
Inside?
Oh, yes.
Okay.
You are not carrying water. Am I going to hold this? Can't you go back to the house with this?
useless son! Eh? Ekwe, ask your useless son what he was doing with my daughter in my house. What? Yes! Ask him. Ask him. He goes. Here he comes. Take what is it? Let him speak. The whole world will hear it, oh. Hey! Which useless friend? Which friend? Eh? She was your friend and you wanted to rape her. Have I ever seen you come to visit her in my house? Eh? So today, you waited until I left the house. Then she became your friend and you can... Leave me alone. Let me handle it. The whole world will hear it too. Hey!
Please, calm down. Huh? You know children of these days, with the way they do their things. Huh? In fact, I'll beg you, do not report to anybody.
It's yes. Lie! No! Me alone. The whole world will hear it. Let me handle him now. Let me finish with him now before...
It's okay. It's okay.
You know why I'm saying it? I don't want to go and people will ask me what to do. I wanted to start doing it now. What is that? Just... Huh? You say your heart and you want to die or not?
Please.
Back before I kill you here.
Please. Believe me, I did not do it. I did not invite him here. He came on his own. Please, I swear to the gods, I did not do it. I did not do it with him, I swear.
Where was he in the hut?
He insisted on going inside because they don't want people to see him here. Please, I did not do it, please.
Are you sure?
I did not do it.
No problem. I believe you. I believe you. Eh? No problem. I know what you wanted. Go. Go get ready. We are going to the farm. I know why he wants to do it. I know. Quick! Let's go to the farm. The father is waiting.
Father, my intention was to get close to her. Put her in a family way. Yes. Get them to force me to marry her. Thereafter, my father will not have any choice but to do business with you. After all, we are in-laws. That was the intention.
Your plan was good. But you know women are too soft. You do not rush them like that. You would have kept it going. Or rather you make her to come here, then you rape her. Yes. The judgment would not be too serious because she came here. But you went all the way there. And her mother heard her disagreeing with you. That's where the problem lies.
But Father, I almost succeeded.
I never heard that almost killed a bird. But do not worry yourself. I'll handle it. It's nothing. I'll handle them. I'm coming.
Obinna rapes you, and as tradition demands, he marries you. Then, Ekwe and I become in-laws. Subsequently, there is no reason I should not do business with him.
It's not even going to be business again. He will inherit it.
No reason I shouldn't give him all the land. After all, we are in-laws.
Papa, are you serious?
That's precisely the reason Obinna started talking with you in the first place.
Hey! Was that why he helped me to fetch water yesterday?
Why? Thank the God that he did not succeed though. If not that I ran home from when we were going to the farm to get your drinking water, you would have succeeded.
He would have succeeded.
I came home, my daughter was shouting, help, help. Nobody came. Everybody was in the farm.
Ah! Ah! Ewe! Ekwe! Ekwe! Ora adelege na mma. Oyara adelege na mma alụsị ka m ga-ebo gị. Imecha ife niile a ime. Ife ọjọọ esobe gị.
Ise.
Will not be well with you. Ekwe and his son will try again to get at us through our daughter.
You're right now. So, what do we do about it?
She will have to go to my sister at home. Once she is out of here, there is nothing they can do.
You're right.
Oh, you really so.
Come here, help me. You have to eat your food first.
All that. I'm really going to miss all that. Who will I call my friend?
Yeah, I will miss your absence in this village where you are gone.
Igo, don't worry. My mother will send for me. Don't worry, okay?
I will never forgive Obinna for doing this, and I will make sure I fight him for this.
Come. Don't worry. Like I said before, I'll be back. It has not gotten to that. Like I told you, my mother will send for me. I will be back.
Obinna.
Don't worry, I will be back. Don't worry. Take care of yourself for me. I told you I will be back. I will be back. My mother will send for me. Okay? I will miss you, my friend. Thank you. I miss you so much. Take care of yourself.
It is said that whatever the fowl is looking for under the rain is very important. That's why we're here to formally apologize to you and your daughter for what my son did. Since he did not succeed with the rain, let us leave everything and hope that it will never repeat itself again. Yes.
What if he has succeeded? What if your son has succeeded in raping my daughter?
I swear by the gods, I would have killed him myself. Because it's not in our image.
He would have done that?
Yes! Yes.
Okay.
If I need a woman, I use my money. Not forcing a woman.
Adam. Ekwe.
Ike, my brother.
Go home. Let this matter become a bygone.
Thank you very much.
No.
Please, can I at least see you so I can personally say a word of apology? Very important, please.
Obin, follow your father home. This matter is closed.
Thank you, my brother, please. Thank you.
Let's go.
Oh!
Father.
Sit down first. You really tried. But that was not the best way. It was not the best way. You stood a very big chance to make that girl fall in love with you. But you rushed her. You don't rush women. It's okay. It's okay.
Oh, okay, Papa. I know. But I promise you, I would definitely do something about that. And this time around, there will be no room for excuses.
No.
Huh?
Do not. You are very lucky that DK is a very good man. And very important to note, he fears me. He dreads me a lot. Else, your name will be in the lips of every person in this kingdom for allegedly raping or trying to rape a maiden. You know what that means. The youths of this village will parade you around the kingdom and flog you mercilessly. Thereafter, you will be assaulted. Yes. It's not a child's play.
But, Papa, all that?
Yes, all that. Because rape is very, very bad. Rape is evil. Rape is forbidden to our ancestors. Rape is generally unacceptable. It is against the gods and humanity. You dare not try to force a woman to lay with you. No, it's not done. That is why you see me trying to use my money to get the ones I have. Yes, I've spent a lot of money trying to get them. And by so doing, they will like you. And subsequently lay with you willingly. Make use of your brain. With all my wealth, I have never raped any woman. I have never. I don't even think of it, let alone trying to rape. If it happens again, I'll say you're not my blood.
Thank you, Father.
You're welcome.
I think I know better now.
It's okay.
Thank you.
It's okay. Go and have rest. Hmm?
He has not seen beautiful women like us before.
See the way he was staring at us. Meanwhile, his wife was with him.
He really wish any of us can be his.
Nkoli, DK never said a word to us.
But his countenance says it all.
As for me, I have been taken by
Ekwe that sleeps around with every woman in this kingdom. Widows, people's wife. You better don't leave yourself for him alone though. Look for another person too. Nkoli, you're right. But DK is not an option. So immature ya good option. Hey, Ify.
Things are doing very well.
Now, I want us to talk before we start work.
What do you do? Is there any problem?
Yes. Why were you staring at Nkoli and her friend? Why were you staring at them as if you have never seen a woman in your life? What kind of disgrace is that?
That? Oh! Aledo. Aledo. That thing didn't mean anything. I mean, it's not even what you're thinking. My thoughts, was very pure. It's just that when you see something that is good, something that is pleasant to the eye must drink of it, must see it, acknowledge it. Besides, I was also wishing that my own wife will dress well enough to look like them.
What are you saying? That I don't dress well?
Well, you have the answer to that question. You know the answer. Oledo, you dress like the wife of a poor dead man or a widow.
Then that's what you are.
Where are you going to go to her? Nem, cello. Hey! Oledo, man. Wanyi marama. Wanyi malo bidia. You're not answering me again.
Say what you want to say.
See, all I'm saying is dress better, dress well, that's all. Yes, but we did not also agree that you will not dress well. You are the wife of a rich man. Dress like that. We have money. Take the money. Buy clothes. Spend the money on clothes. Spend the money on beads and, fanciful beads. And all those things women use in decorating their body. That's it. Dress well. This is a husband asking his wife to dress well.
Okay. Since your eyes are not pleased with me, go elsewhere and find somebody else that will please you. Nonsense.
Hey! Why are you this unyielding? Why are you not listening to the argument I'm making?
It's the plan we had from the beginning. The plan we have, you are the one spoiling it. If I'm the one spoiling it now, you say we men don't know how to save. Now I'm the one that is not dressing well.
Oledo. When we make a plan and the plan is not working, we change the plan. Now we have to change the plan. Dress better. Spend the money. Simple.
Then you call me and say we have to change the plan. You don't just start looking at all the women on the road, looking at them and saying they are wearing beautiful beads, wearing good dresses. Did you come to say we are going to change?
Oh, Ledo. Okay, we are talking about.
Leave me alone.
Hey, are we still there?
Go and be touching
I should go and touch them. I'm going.
Were you not touching them?
Did I touch them? It's only you I'm touching. Like now I'm touching you. I'm touching you.
Let's go. Carry out.
Who will carry that food? Who will carry it? Hurry. We are late.
I'm coming.
Coming. You spend 1 year coming. Oh, yeah, give me. What kept you so long? What kept you that long? And you have come out not even ready.
Who says?
You are not ready.
I'm ready now.
How can you be ready? Don't tell me that.
But I'm ready.
How can you come out dressed like this? How can you dress like this to the occasion we are going for? My friend's daughter's introduction. Eh?
What do you mean? Ordinary introduction. How else do you want me to dress?
Don't you see the way you're dressed? Are you just like a beggar from a neighboring village? Or like a maid? Eh? When we get there, we see dignitaries. We see women dressed lavishly, decked lavishly, with good beads, with good jigida, decorated. And you are, look at it.
Nine. Enough of this insult. Enough! What is it, self? Eh? I'm not going again. You can go alone.
Oh, Okakwamma.
Not going.
Ask him Okakwamma.
Go! And leave me alone.
So I should go?
No, stay now. Stay. You always want to insult somebody.
It's not a matter of insult. You want me to go there alone? That means I'm not marrying a wife. I'm not married. Eh?
You can pick one of those people who are well dressed on the street and then take them.
Ha! It's better that I go than go with somebody that is sharp. Are you my maid? You are my wife.
I'm not a maid. I'm a beggar from the neighboring kingdom.
Oh, that's what it is. Mama. That's it. That's the way girls, women are supposed to dress. See it. Dressing fine, dressing good. This is exactly how women are supposed to dress. Dress fine. Dress well. Huh? But my wife, Mbano, she likes to dress shabbily. I don't know what's wrong with her. Is it money? I have the money. Use the money that I have to dress. Make yourself fine. She will not. She wants to dress shabbily and follow me out. But it will not work. See these ones. Even this one that walk this way. Any of them like that, I walking with any of them. I'll be walking regularly like a king. Clean.
Did you see the way Mazi Dike was looking at us?
How do you mean? Was he looking at us?
I would say yes if he asked me to marry him. How will you feel if you end up to be a stepmother to Rena? I will gladly say yes.
Hey.
Don't you know that Mazi Dike is a very wealthy man? I would say yes if he asked me to marry him.
You are greedy.
Yes.
Nonsense, man. Always making me feel less of myself. Go and look for those who are dressed the way you like. Nonsense. Go and come back and look for yourself. Nonsense, man.
Mazi Dike went alone.
Oh, good.
But the wife is at home. I could not enter into the hut to drop the charm.
You could not go inside and drop the charm?
Yes, Papa, I could not.
Good. We have to change plans. Yes. Since Wanza the bird has learned how to fly without perching, I, Ekwedike, the gong of the strong, will learn how to shoot without missing.
Papa, calm down. Huh? I am your son.
Yes.
Tell me.
No doubt.
What other plans do you have?
Just come with me.
As you come.
Papa. Honey, you are at home. How are you?
I'm in my hut. Where else will I be?
Give me a seat.
What do you want?
Ask me to have seat.
Ask you to have seat.
What?
Yes. The other day your son came here and he told me to go to that in a race. And now you are here. My husband is not at home.
I have a discussion with you.
I want to test criminal.
Huh?
I want to test criminal. Repo! Repo!
Jared!
Father, benefit! Father, benefit! Like father, like son. Hey! That's how they nearly raped my daughter. Huh? Tell me what is looking for my house. My husband is not at home. Eh? Can a man become a woman's friend? Just like that?
Naekwa, I greet you. Why is Mazekwe running like a madman in this hot sun? I hope he has not gone to sleep with another man's wife and is being caught. Let me run and follow him and see what is going on.
I really need to take some land from DK. Should I bury something for him? No. DK is a strong man. If he finds out, there might be trouble. He's not someone I can easily get rid of. What do I do now?
You needed to have seen me. I danced and danced and danced. All eyes were on me.
Oh. I hope you didn't go there to disgrace me, because it's not as if you know how to dance.
Jealousy!
Well, I have heard you.
I'm just feeling jealous because you are not there.
No problem. Egwe came here.
What? Huh?
He said he wanted to have a discussion with you.
In my absence, what did you tell him?
Do you think I am you? I started screaming. I screamed and he ran away. I'm not like you now. Now I have respect for you.
Good. Good. It's about time I solved this problem once for all.
What do you intend to do?
Father, 90 days on his way to the States.
90. And so?
Father, his countenance is not favorable at all.
I'm waiting, let him come.
Huh?
Yes.
Ekwe! Ekwe!
DK.
Ekwe!
DK.
I am happy you're calling back. Now listen, I have come here to warn you. I am here to warn you. Did you hear that?
Yes, I heard it.
I have come here to warn you, Ekwe. And this will be the final warning I will give to you. Ekwe, leave my family. Leave my family, let us be. Do not continue to harass my family. Land. Must I sell land? Haven't I told you that I'm not selling? How many times will I tell you that I am not selling? I am not selling. Even if I had, I would not sell to you. This final time, I have to warn you. Do you hear me?
DK. Yes, I heard you louder. But what baffles me is, what are you going to do with all the land you have acquired? Because it's very obvious that you have only one daughter, no male child. Yes! Nobody will carry on with your legacy. But if we hear the gong of the storm, the sound that not even the spirits can ignore, I have a very strong and vibrant son that will replace me when I must have journeyed to the great beyond. Why that is, you want to have all the land on earth? Let me bring one thing to your notice. It's only impotent men that cannot impregnate their wives to have a male child. Or are you trying to tell me that already your wife is barren? No one else.
Nine, what happened? Huh? Nine, what happened? I hope everything is alright. Did he fight you? Nine, talk to me now.
Ekwe was right. I don't have anybody to take over from me. Oledo can't have another child at this age. She doesn't even look attractive anymore. What do I do? I need a male child.
What is wrong? What is the matter? Nine. What is bothering you?
We need to talk. Family meeting. Oledo. I've called you here to inform you and seek for your permission to bring in a second wife.
Why?
Don't you think we need a son in this house?
Then get me pregnant.
Oledo. It's not as easy as that. Oledo, we are both getting down in age, and particularly for women. Can you still carry any pregnancy at this age? Remember how difficult you found it to carry the pregnancy of Urenna?
Nai, the thing is that you told me that you are not bothered about male or female child. If the gods decide to give you only Urenna, that you're okay. Now you have changed. What if the second wife comes in and still gives you a female child? It is true, you said I'm going down in age. You too, you're going down in age. Can you still father a child? Is it possible?
Oledo, I can still father a child. With us men, it's different. You know very well I can still father a child. I know that our gods will not desert me. When she comes in, she will give us a male child.
No problem, Nai. It is our tradition. You can go ahead and marry another one. I will support you.
You will support me?
Does it look like I have a choice?
Oledo. That's why I keep talking about you.
Is your wife aware that you want to take a second wife?
She supports me. She's in support.
Anyway, it's not like she has any choice. And our tradition supports a man taking more than 2 wives. As for Uncle, my friend, I will talk to her.
You will?
I will. And I know she will listen to me.
She will? You're very sure? Hey, Mawana Beben. Do you know that the other day, I was following her. If she looks back, I will pretend. I wouldn't know if she knew I was following her. I wanted, but I could not summon the courage to speak with her. Hi.
I'll talk to her and get back to you.
Hi. Izelumi Naro. I feel comfortable already. Hi. So
The moment I give him a male child, I'll take over everything. And then I'll chase Oledo away. I heard her daughter, Urenna, is at home. No. She should better stay there and never come back.
Well, the most important thing is for us to make a very solid plan. First, you marry him as soon as possible. Then we'll take some land from him.
Yes, but how will that be possible? Yes, how?
Now listen, after you marry him, I will come and claim that you are owing me a lot of money. And that the only way I want to be settled is with plots of land in a specific site. And he will have no choice than to settle your debt. Yes. After all, you're his wife. He's your husband.
Nai, what do I benefit from all this?
You have a lot to benefit. We will share the land. I'll give you both plots of land. And you have your own.
Then, I am interested.
Okay.
Soon it will be you and Dike, my friend. Happy married life.
Thank you.
Let me come.
Okay, Nai. Nai.
Oh, Nai. Already, I'm not telling you for.
Nai. What is this?
I don't know.
What did you just call me? I hope you're not planning to marry this dog. Uncle has been sleeping with all the men in this kingdom, including other people's husbands. Hey!
Nai, that was before. Now I'm going to be his wife and I will stop. Oh, are you not happy?
Shut up your mouth!
To be his wife.
Hey! Mind how you talk to my wife.
That's okay. I support you. I truly like what you have done. But you see this one? You will not marry her. You can't. You will have to marry a younger girl who will perform. Not this old cargo. This is as old as I am. Marry her will bring insult to me. In fact, all her friends are my enemies. And if you marry her, they will end up coming to visit her here. And that will be an insult to me in my own house. You're not marrying this one. If you want a second wife, go outside this kingdom. Get one. I'm okay. But not this one. This is my age plate now. Is it because she's applying dye on her hair? You call it a free woman. Onyankesa. We are not going to marry her. She has slept all the men she has met in her life, including Ekwe.
Ekwe?
Oh, so Uncle, you've been sleeping with my man. Will you keep quiet?
I think I live. Oledo, thank you for saving me from this this fire.
That's okay. I know you were carried away by her beauty and way of dressing. And that's why she was able to lure you to her trap. Exactly what she has been doing to all the men in this kingdom.
Hi.
No, don't worry. You know that's what the reason her husband sent her away from the house. She was married.
And this woman is so beautiful.
And she can't hold herself together. What kind of a woman is that? That's why I said earlier, go outside. Outside this kingdom. Go and marry a small girl. Young girl. Yes. Ike. Ike.
Young girl. Okay, you said young girl.
Ike. Go and marry. Go and marry a young girl from outside. Yes. I will support you. Eh? But as for this one, where am I?
Hey.
Adama.
Ewe, Aledo. That means the search has started anew. Afresh.
If I have somebody I can introduce to you, I will let you know. But as for this,
hi.
You know, if I don't support you, you know the tradition, it will not work.
Thank you. Thank you. Let me at least concentrate on making you happy now. Imana, going to speak to these girls. I
will get one for you.
Okay. My mom. Get it?
I'm fine. I've wanted to come to your place today.
Well, you have seen me now. What is it?
This is not what we'll talk here. Since you're going to the farm, let's go there.
You want to follow me to the farm?
No, there's no problem. Let me help you.
You cannot take my knife. You know, once I get to the farm, it's work. When we get there now, we have to be brief. Let's go.
Problem. Let me help you with your knife.
No! No one ever does that. A man must have his cutlass. What if something comes out now? Who will protect you? Me.
Good day.
What do you want? My husband is not at home.
Please, can we at least sit down and talk?
Me and you sit down and talk.
Please.
Okay.
Well, I'm here to apologize for what happened yesterday. I was not acting with my right senses. I was stressed and under pressure. I am really very sorry.
Of what use is this your apology to you? Because in the first place, you are not even supposed to be here. I don't know why you are here.
The truth to be told, your husband, Dike, is attracted to me. Allow me to be your co-wife.
Not when I am alive.
Then you have to die because I must marry your husband.
You lie! You cannot
marry your husband.
Shut up your mouth! You rubbish! You want my Dike? You will never get him! Mad woman! Useless woman! Empty vessel! Onyoshi! Come and marry my Dike! Of all the men in this kingdom, my Dike is the one you want. You will never get him! Idiot! She will not stay in her house! She can't find any other man apart from my husband. Oh, she? Nonsense.
Yes, right here. That's the smallest of my farms around here.
Mazi Dike, if this vast farmland is the smallest, how will the biggest one look like?
It is big. Hey. Yeah.
Oloma, I want you to rush to Norma's hut. Tell her that I'm having waist pain and chest pain, and he should prepare a very good herb that will be good for my brains. And so then you bring it back to me.
Nine. Thank you, Nine.
Nkole, what is it? What is your problem?
Nine.
It's all right. Come, let's sit down first. Sit. So, what are you doing here? Why are you frowning your face?
Nanyekwe, I want to have Dike. He is free and ready. Why is it that I cannot have him?
You can have Dike if you want to. I'll help you to have him.
But if he seems interested too, how come? Have you two separated?
No, we have not separated. But I will advise you to forget whatever Ife is doing. Let us use the hut. After which I will help you. I will tell you what to do.
Nine. Do you want to take advantage of me?
Of course not. It's a form of payment. I cannot help you for free. The equation needs to be balanced. You use what you have, you get what you want. So, come on, let's go inside.
Nine. You have tasted my body long time ago. Why are you doing this again?
You were awesome. I love that soca. I want to have it again. Let's go inside.
No, don't do this. No, this is not fair. No, why are you doing this to me?
Don't worry, after we discuss whether it is fair or not.
No, please.
Let's go.
Is it right I allow Nkoli to just marry Dike and have children for him? Even if it's 2 boys. After that, we can now chase her away. Hi. But that would be so difficult to... Anyway, I think I have to discuss with her. And also discuss with my husband.
Are you sure you want to do this?
Yes, Nine. I want to use my body to apologize to you. Let's do it.
See, I don't want to eat what belongs to Ekwe. You know, I am reluctant.
Huh? It's been long I gave it to him. So enjoy me. Let's do it.
Okay.
Obin, so you can't greet.
No. I was absent-minded. Please forgive me.
Greetings, my dear.
Greetings.
Thank you.
And you need to rush down to your farm now. As I speak, something is about going wrong. In fact, something is already going wrong.
I hope my husband Dike is okay.
No, she's about to devour him.
Who?
I've said my own.
Obin. Hi. Hey. This will be nice. Very wicked. You will not die well.
Papa! Hey! Papa, that's a
What is the problem?
Papa, I watch I go to him.
Say what you want to say.
Papa. Eh? Hey! Ify. You're so called Ify. Okay. Papa, you don't have to worry again. There's no problem. Oh yes. Like the says go. What goes around comes around.
You said you came to report Ify. What about her?
Papa. Don't worry. It's fine.
Hey! What is wrong with this boy? How do we explain this situation? He just came in. Hi, Papa, I want to tell you something. From there, birds of the same feather flock together. Okay, no problem. Which one do I follow? Are you sure this boy has not started taking the hard lane? But there's no problem. I am a place out.
Hey! You, eh? Hey, you are the one sharing a man with me. Look at yourself from head to toe. Look at how you're looking. So ugly. Ugly thing. Hey! Hey! Fear. You, hey! You don't know me. Oh. I am going to deal with you in this village. If you want to drag a man with me in this same village, hey! Hi! I will teach this girl a lesson. I will teach her that
your steady step. Maybe man, what is it? Nyagano. You're making me uncomfortable.
Nah. What if I ask you to impregnate Nkoli so she'll have children for us? And after that, we'll send her away.
My dear, I've never seen a happy family like that of Madiki's home. You know it's every maiden's dream to get married to a man like Mazidiki. I pray that the gods gives me a man like Mazidiki.
Huh, look at you. You think it's only you? Me too. Ah, see, it's only you. Oh, I want to get married to you. A man like that.
I hope nothing happened.
Ah, no. I only made him to sleep, then I undressed myself. And before then, I was talking dirty to him, so I thought we did it.
Okay, good. Do you know what you're going to do now? You will claim that you are pregnant. That he got you pregnant. Let us not accuse him for rape now.
So what do I do?
Good. I love this your question. He has to settle you. You will demand a specific piece of land. The one that I want.
Nayekwe, the master planner. Hey! No problem. I've heard all you said. Let me go and cook for my children.
Go. Ekwe is behind you.
You like to cook one.
I'll go to rap of woman. If you thought it. Diego.
They think they can use me. Fine, let me get pregnant first and have the baby. Then they will see the real Nkoli.
Nine, I have agreed. Yes, nine. Not at all. I know what I want, and I am interested already. Oh,
Ellen! Very good. This comes from celebration. Yeah?
Let me quickly go and get some palm wine.
Give me the palm wine. Let me start drinking. Come on, sit here. Aye! Equata.
Nice.
I have DK exactly where I want him. Yes. I will make him suffer and lose all his most valued land to me. What will I have done without Ify? Ify, I thank you so much. Now I will send Nkoli to him and make sure she seduces him for real. That way, I will fully control his entire existence. Ekwe Dike, the gong of the strong, the sound that even the spirit cannot ignore.
Yeah. Have they already done it? They couldn't even wait for me to bring the food. Golly. Golly. Hi.
Biaifi. Are you alright?
I think I'm pregnant.
What? You're what? How?
What do you mean, how?
You know it's been long we had anything to do with each other. Huh? And you know that. Who have you been sleeping with? It's okay, just relax your mind. Just tell me the truth. Who got you?
Vicky and I are listening to you.
Ah! What? You slept with Vicky?
Dike di m. Oke bi na agbala ọra. Ha! Ị na-akpa ike o.
I had actually taken palm wine to her family.
What?
Asking for her hand in marriage, yes.
Ntị anọ m ife. You mean you did that without telling me? Dike.
Well, I'm pregnant for him. No way. No way. I'm already pregnant for Dike. He doesn't need two women to have children for him. And besides, I am sure what I'm carrying is a male child.
What is it?
Nine, but I'm pregnant for you.
Who is who? For who?
You.
For me. Go and look for the man who put you in the family way. Not me. Not this man here. Not Dike.
Remember that day she agreed to have children for us? I came back when I went to bring food. When I came back, I was hearing some sound and in the room. And both of you had entered the house before I came back.
The more you look, the less you see. Listen, let me tell you. I was only massaging her leg. Nothing happened. See this lady you see, this lady here, this girl here. She's refused, insisted I must not do it. She insisted I must not enter. Except I paid her right price. Ask her. So who got you pregnant? Who impregnated you? It's not part of the deal. Go ahead.
It's okay, Dike. I want to understand the deal you're talking about.
Shut up, Ekpe.
Shut up. You impregnated me.
Hello! Hello, Mojeke! Hello, Gedege! Hey!
Me? Ekwe.
I've not been with any man for months now. Until that day I came to apologize. And I went to visit him. He insisted that he must have my body. And now I am carrying his child.
Stay with Welcome.
Welcome. So you have my husband. Our baby.
For real. If I look where I don't get Kaibolo Nugana.